Welcome to our channel. If you want to deposit checks using the US Bank mobile app and need to understand the deposit limits and process, follow these steps to complete a mobile check deposit. Step 1. Download and open the US Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your username and password or biometric authentication. Step 2. From the main dashboard, tap on Deposit Checks or Mobile Deposit. This option is usually found under Account Services or Quick Actions. Step 3. Select the account where you want to deposit the check, such as your checking or savings account. Step 4. Endorse the back of the check by signing your name and writing "for mobile deposit only" along with your account number. This ensures the check cannot be deposited elsewhere. Step 5. Tap Take Photos or Start Deposit to begin capturing images of the check. Step 6. Use your smartphone camera to take a clear photo of the front of the check. Ensure the entire check is visible within the frame and the image is not blurry or cut off. Step 7. Take a photo of the back of the check, including your endorsement. Review both images to ensure they are clear and legible. Step 8. Enter the deposit amount and confirm the details. US Bank mobile check deposit limits vary by account type and history, but standard limits are typically $2,500 per check and $5,000 per day. Submit the deposit and wait for confirmation. The funds are usually available within 1 to 2 business days. Keep the physical check for at least 30 days in case there are any issues with the deposit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.